Mama, can I get a new toy? Mama, can I get a new toy? Mom, can I get a new toy?
Faray, another toy? You should try not to waste time on useless things.
But Mom, this is not useless. Mom? Mom, please, 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 Mom, please, 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 Mom, please, Mom, please.
Alright, Faray, let's see this time.
Okay. Thank you, Mommy. Baby, let's show Mom. All toys are not useless. I love you. Oh, my cute. Someone is come. Who's this? Open.
Delivery for Mr. Faray.
I'm Mr. Faray.
This is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
What is inside? Let me check. Wow, it's an electric circuit kit. Let's see what is inside. It's an electric circuit kit. I like it so much. What I can do. I know. I'm gonna make a secret light box. Light box. Light box. Let's do it. First, we need an empty box. Now we're gonna make a small hole over here. Now we need to insert the bulb holder in a box. Now we make a hole here and insert a switch. Looks like this. I'm gonna attach my battery and a bulb holder and a switch. Now I'm gonna fix my bulb inside. This is my tool tray box. I'm gonna put it in my tool tray box. I'm gonna fix it at the top. Secret light box is ready! Wow, it's so beautiful. We need to hide it for baby. Baby will find it. Let's hide it somewhere else. Oh no, baby's gone. We need to hide.
Run.
Oh yeah, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, I'm playing with my. Oh yeah, I am a dog. I am a dog. Doggy, doggy. I'm playing.
Oh no! It's a power breakdown! What do we do now?
Don't worry, Mama. I have something for you. Look, Mom, I told you, not all toys are useless.
I'm sorry, Faray. You're right. Not all toys are useless. I'm proud of you, Faray.
The end.